Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I are going to uncover something that a lot of people have been asking about: how to use ChatGPT Plus for free. Yes, you heard that right. There are completely legit ways to get the premium GPT-4 experience without paying, and I will also share the best free alternatives that can give you almost same power. And no, we are not talking about shady hacks or anything illegal. This is 100% safe and above board. Part 1: Understanding ChatGPT Plus. First, let's quickly clear up what ChatGPT Plus actually is. It is OpenAI's paid plan, about $20 a month, that gives you priority access, faster speed, and most importantly, access to GPT-4, which is more accurate and creative than the free GPT 3.5. The free version is good, but if you have ever tried GPT-4, you know the difference is like riding a bicycle versus driving a sports car. So the question is, how can you experience that sport car without paying? Part 2: Legit ways to use GPT-4 for free. Number 1: Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft has integrated GPT-4 directly into their Copilot tool, and it is free to use in Microsoft Edge or Bing. You get GPT-4 style responses plus access to image generation through doll.e to Poo.com by Cora. Poo offers access to GPT-4, Claude, and other models in one place. They are free tied with daily GPT-4 messages. It's like an AI buffet. Number 3: Perplexity AI. Perplexity combines GPT-4 with real-time web search. It is perfect for research and it does not count toward ChatGPT limits. Number 4: Free trials from AI platforms. Some services offers GPT-4 through free trials. Jasper AI, Write Sonic, and others sometimes include a few GPT-4 credits when you sign up. Number 5: Educational access. If you are a student or educator, some institutions provide GPT-4 access through their learning platforms. Check if your school has a partnership. Part 3: Best free alternative. Even if you can't get GPT-4 every day, these free tools can never most of your needs. Cloud 3 by Anthropic, very good for long documents and summaries. Gemini by Google, great for creativity and brainstorming. Maestral AI, lightweight but surprisingly powerful. Perplexity AI for fact checking and real time service. The trick: use the right tool for the right task. Some pro tips: use multiple free tools together, don't rely on just one. Bookmark site that offer GPT-4 access so you can switch when daily limits run out. Always check for updated offers. Companies change their free plans often. So that's it. All the legit ways to use ChatGPT Plus for free. And the best free alternatives if you want the premium AI experience without the $20 monthly fee. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more AI tips and let me know in the comments which free tool you are going to try first.